Hello kids, welcome to Kiddy Kids channel. Today we will learn the phonic sound of R. R says R. R, R, R. R says R. It is a capital R. It is a lowercase r. Now let's learn few vocabulary of letter R. R for rabbit. R, 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 rabbit. Rabbit loves to eat carrot. R for rose. R, 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 rose. Rose is a sweet smelling flower. R for rocket. R, 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 rocket. We use rocket to travel in the space. R for ring. R, 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 ring. You must have seen ring on your mother's finger. R for rain. R, R, rain. Children, you have heard a popular rhyme. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. R for rainbow. R, 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 rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors and it is seen in the sky when sun and rain comes together. R for rhinoceros. R, 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 rhinoceros. We call rhinoceros as rhino. The nickname of rhinoceros is rhino. Rhino is a wild animal. R for river. R, 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 river. River is a large natural stream of water that flows over land. R for road. R, 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 road. We should always walk on the side of the road. Running or walking in between the road is very dangerous as there is a lot of traffic on the road and we can get hurt. So I hope you all have learned the sound and the vocabulary of letter R. Thank you.